Today we're doing standing diastasis recti exercises to help your mummy tummy and your postpartum belly. Hi, I'm Linda with bodiesafterbabies.com, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome to my channel, and be sure to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my next upcoming videos, because there's going to be a lot of them. While doing these exercises, you will also be working your chest and your arms and your legs and your butt. You can do these any time of the day, and when you're done this video, be sure to go into the description or in my comment below, and I will have a link for a special download to a tracker that you can track your diastasis recti journey and your progress. Let's get started. Stand facing the wall about an arm's length away. Be sure to keep your stomach tight while doing this exercise. Put your hands on the wall and do a push-up. As you push away from the wall, you will exhale, and when you go towards the wall, you will inhale. While you push back to your starting position, pull your abdominal muscles towards your spine as deeply as you can. Do this exercise 10 times. Next, place a stability ball behind your back so that it is pressing against the wall and your lower back. Bring both feet forward while keeping them hip distance apart. Breathe in and expand your stomach, and then release your breath and pull your abs in towards your spine as tightly as you can. Next, bend your knees into a squat until they form a 90-degree angle. To further this, you can hold into the squat position, then straighten your legs, making sure you have your abs pulled in towards your spine the entire time. Do this 10 times. Next is wall squat with squeeze. Place your back against the wall with your feet hip distance apart in front of you and go into a squat position. Put a ball or pillow in between your knees and breathe in while letting your stomach expand, and then squeeze the ball with your legs and pull your ab muscles towards your spine, breathing out as you squeeze. Repeat 10 times. You can repeat this sequence of exercises 3 times. An extra tip that helps throughout the day is to check your posture against a wall. As moms, we tend to have a slouch, and that doesn't help out our diastasis. You'll most likely also feel your stomach engaging while standing in that posture. Comment below and let me know where you're at in your diastasis journey, and air out any frustrations you have with that mummy tummy or postpartum belly. I am here to listen. Be sure to share this video with your mommy friends to help them out as well. And don't forget, if you haven't done so already, to click that subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.